Take a seat. Earning 50 bucks with no investment of money. Do you believe it's even possible? Earning money without having to go out or breaking a sweat? Money Capital has discovered an incredible strategy that allows you to earn $5,000 or more per day. And that's precisely what we are going to show you in today's video. A great majority of individuals are stuck trying to become wealthy through a simple method, and here is where our role comes in. Welcome to another video of Money Capital, in which we show you how to make money online. But before we begin the video, click the subscribe button to learn more about how to make money online. Imagine earning 50 bucks every 5 minutes. That's like $100 in 10 minutes and $14,400 a day. You can be a millionaire in no time and start so many businesses with them that would make you even more money through passive income. I know this sounds too good to be true, but trust me, this method we're going to show you is 100% working and legal. Want to know how? Stick till the end. In today's video, we're going to show you a website. This web generates an incredible amount of cash flow, and with the use of our helpful strategies and tips, you can even boost your earnings. All you have to do is follow the instructions, and these are very basic, 1, 2, and 3 steps, and don't worry. You won't have to spend any money, any technical talents, or social media marketing. All you have to do is follow the instructions I'm describing so that the technique may be appropriately implemented, and also I need you to pay attention to every detail of this in order to earn the maximum amount of money from this website, so stick with me till the end. Now, what is the website, you may ask? It's utest.com. This is where you will be earning your fat sums. Utest is a software testing platform that pays you to test software or websites depending on the demand. It is a legitimate site since it will really pay you to take exams. In general, what we intend to do is submit reviews for softwares or websites in order for them to enhance their creations. If you go to that website, you'll find this page. And on this page, you should be able to see the softwares that have been created. You'll have hundreds, if not thousands of options over here. There is a lot of software available for you to review. By the way, don't worry. You won't need any special technical knowledge or qualification for the revision of these websites and apps. This platform essentially simplifies the process in order for developers to identify major concerns on their inventions with the assistance of Captura. This platform provides services that detect swiftly and cheaply the pros and cons of a developer's creation and demonstrates the problems or any defects that must be addressed before releasing their software. We are going to make money by software analysis and testing. That's the game for this website, and don't you think that's pretty cool? You won't require any technical knowledge, and most importantly, you can do this in the comfort of your own home. The primary reason for presenting this website is because it is so simple and a great opportunity for earning some big bucks. All you have to do is test several softwares and websites. Now, enough of the explanations, we will demonstrate and show you for you to verify that this website is legitimate, so let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and search up utest.com on Google. If you have any questions about utest.com, you can head over to the About Us page of the website where you can have most of your doubts cleared. Still, if you didn't get your answer, feel free to comment down below. Our team on Money Capital will surely find a solution to your query. Now, click on the Projects button. This is where you can find new projects which are updated daily. Clients will post their website here, and all you have to do is review the website or software. It may sound a little difficult at first, but don't worry, once you get the hang of it, it's as easy as water. Want to know a cool thing about this website? You can use this website on any device, even if you have a laptop, a computer, an Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Head over to the projects page and you can see an option to select your country and device. Quickly select your device and then the country you live in. Also, it doesn't really matter in which country you live since utest.com is available worldwide. Now, in order to start earning from utest.com, you have to register on their website. How to register, you may ask? Look at the top right corner of the web page, you will find a Join Today button. Go ahead and click that button and it will take you to the registration page. Now, once you have landed on this page, you will need to provide all the necessary details in order to start working. On this page, just let them know about who you are, fill up the required information, your name, email address, which languages you can speak, and also your date of birth. After signing up, you will have your very own dashboard which you will need in order to be updated of the happenings and don't get lost on Utest. Now, to proceed, on the center of your dashboard you will find the button to set up your payment method. Upon clicking that, a page will prompt you by the platform where you will choose your personal payment method. That is why beforehand it is important that you already have your own PayPal account so that on this part of the setup you will not be confused about what payment method to choose. Now, go back to the project page and you can view all the projects that are available for you to choose from. You can choose any one of these and give them a full honest review on how their creations are, what you liked and what you didn't, and how they can make it better. The best part about this website is that you get paid for giving your opinion on a person's creation. I mean, where in the world can you get a job that cool and high paying? Really, I mean, $50 every 5 minutes. Jeez, that's a lot of money. Anyways, since we have taught you how to make money online without any investment, our job ends here. Work hard and achieve that self-made millionaire title all by yourself. If you want to make more money and learn more about financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our previous videos. We upload videos like this every day. Hey, subscribe, because it's free, just like utest.com.